Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Engineer Reagan, and I hope you're doing good and well according to the grace of God. And today I'm gonna walk you through on the basic of mathematics. Okay, before we can even begin to desire to master the concepts of algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, and any other complex mathematics, you need first to go to basic. Okay, and one of the basic concepts of mathematics actually is fraction. So today for this video, I'm going to walk you through um, on the foundational concepts about fraction. And although I'm not gonna be talking, I won't be covering all about fraction in this video, but somehow after this video, you will be able to identify what kind of fraction a particular fraction is. So I know that you're already quite familiar with the terms proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number, but you have a hazy understanding about it. So today, right after this video, you will be able to, I believe that you will be able to somehow grasp, you will have a firm grasp of what it means by that particular fraction. Okay, and how does it look like? Okay, so let's start a lesson. Our first form of fraction is actually called proper fraction. Okay, so when you have a number depicted in the same way as what I have here on the screen, you have n over d. Okay, if you see any kind of number that looks that way, that's a fraction. Okay, the number at the top, we call it the numerator, and then the number down below is the denominator. Okay, that's something that you should really remember. The top is numerator, the one down below is denominator. So you call it a proper fraction when the numerator is less than the denominator, meaning the number at the top is of lesser value compared to the number at the bottom. Okay, so for example, okay, let's cite some examples. Example for that is 1/4. As you can see, our numerator, the one at the top, is of lesser value compared to one at the bottom, which is 4. 1/4 is an example of a proper fraction. Another example for that is 3/4. All right, 2/5. Then lastly, 2/3. Okay, all these are examples of fraction, so-called proper fraction. Okay, our next form is the improper fraction. Okay, what makes a difference? What makes improper fraction different from the proper fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator, you call it improper fraction, meaning when the number at the top is greater in value compared to the number at the bottom. Now that's improper fraction. Okay, it's the other way around. Okay, so example for that would be 5/2. Okay, as you can see, the number at the top, which is our numerator, is greater in value compared to the one at the bottom, which is the denominator. So that's 5/2 or 5/2. Okay. Okay, another is 4/3. 4/3 is an improper fraction because 4 is greater than 3. Another is 7/5. That's an improper fraction. And then lastly, 9/4. As you can see with these examples, all the numerators are greater than the denominator. So you call that an improper fraction. So let's now move on to our last form. Okay, this time we're dealing with the mixed number. So how does it look like? Okay, as you can see, there is now a combination. Okay, this is now a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, let me show you how does it look like. Okay, example, you have 3 and 1/4. See, that's a mixed number. It's a combination of a whole number. The whole number here is the 3, and then your proper fraction is the 1/4. Okay. So how does it happen? For example, you're on your way home. You one of your friends gave you 3 kilos of bananas, and then right before you reach your door, another friend came and gave you 1/4 kilo of banana. So therefore, you now have a total of 3 and 1/4 kilos of bananas. So see, 3 and 1/4 can also be said in the same way as 3 plus 1/4. You just combine them actually, and you can say it as 3 and 1/4. Okay, another 2 and 1/2, 7 and 3/5, 6 and 3/4. All these are examples of a mixed number. Okay, so please don't forget, a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. That's all, guys. God bless. Thank you.